it's Melissa. Happy Tuesday. I am not usually over here live on Fontsy, but big news, and that requires me to pop in here and say hello to you, and not only that, but tell you what we have been working on behind the scenes for a long time. We are so excited to be able to introduce to you, roll out a VIP membership program on Fontsy. So this has been so exciting. I don't know how many times we get requested, do you guys have membership? How can I get extra coupons? Where do I get extra freebies? I need blah, blah, blah. We have it. We finally have it in the way of our new VIP program that we have kind of slowly been rolling out on the website. So you may have seen it, you may not. You may have gotten an email so far, you may not. We'll be doing more and more over the next couple of days. But here's how this works, okay? And why I love this program so much. We work so hard on the Fontsy VIP program. It's a membership program, but here's the thing. There are no exceptions. I don't know if there's any other site that has a VIP program in this area that sells SVGs and fonts and mock-ups and all kinds of things that has no exception. So here's how it works. We have three plan levels, three VIP plan levels. We call them the Crafter plan, the Creative Pro, and then the Enterprise. So there is something for everyone. They start at $7.99 a month, then $13.99 a month, and then $19.99 a month. Now, here's the thing. There's 4 benefits that everybody gets, and then the higher plan you're on, the more benefits you unlock. So everyone gets a monthly voucher. So that means with your membership, you pay for the membership, and then you get automatically a voucher. So the voucher is worth more than the membership. So you're automatically already in the black. Yeah, I think that's right. Anyway, so you can use that voucher on anything on the site, okay, except gift cards. So you get that voucher. It is good for the month, all right? And we'll even send you a reminder. Don't forget to use your voucher because it expires at the end of the month when your plan renews. What you also get, 15% off all bundles all the time. So you don't have to wait for the coupon. Oh, shoot, I missed the coupon. You automatically get it all the time. It's automatically added in your cart. You don't have to do anything. You don't even have to remember. Then you get 5, 10, or 15% off every item in every order, okay? So aside from the bundles, let's say you're going to your favorite design shop and then you're going to your favorite font shop and you're putting all these different awesome things in your cart. We will automatically apply your VIP discount to every item in your cart. Okay, so if you're on the lower price plan, you get 5% off every item. If you're on the middle plan, 10%, and the highest plan, 15%. No exceptions. This is what I'm talking about. Sometimes on these other places, you have to kind of shop from certain sections. No, there are no exceptions to this, okay? Then we have, let me tell you about exclusive discounts to our partner retailers that we've reached out to and say, hey, would you like to give our VIP members a little extra discount? And so if you need supplies for vinyl, for paper, for blanks, for equipment, for whatever you need, we have a page that all of our members can access and get coupons to use on, there's probably 10 different places that you can apply them, all right? Then, depending on the plan that you're on, if you're on the middle plan or the higher price plan, you also get early access. There's a set of products that we release every month to members only. You will get early access to those, plus you will get extra freebies. There's a whole set of extra freebies. You will also, I'm looking at my notes here, actually I'm looking at the site. You will also get access to what we call our resource and tutorial library. Okay, so most of them are downloadable type resources that you can use. For example, you want a cheat sheet on all the cut settings for your silhouette, your cricut, your scan and cut. You want to know what temperature and time for all different types of HTV. In the tutorial resource library, you can download them, print them. We've made them so they're easy to print. You need templates. We have that too. You need little cards, instruction cards to put with your shirt so your customers know how to wash them properly. We have that too, okay? And then if you are, I should say the middle plan, which is $13.99 a month, those Find members get a $20 a month voucher. So every month you're gonna get automatic $20 that you can use anywhere on the site. It's like a gift card, but it's a voucher. And then the highest price plan is the $19.99 a month. That is our enterprise plan, and you don't have to be in business to have it, but you get a $30 voucher every month, okay? And then 15% off every item in every order, bundles, everything, bundles and single designs, fonts, mock-ups, whatever. You get all the access to the library, everything I just talked about. But in addition to that, you also get a free font of the month. You get early access to the new and 99-cent sale so that things don't run out on you, because we have had that before. You get exclusive access to what we call the extended licensed library. So if you have we have products that you can, like our standard commercial use license is good for commercial use. You can't use it for print on demand. You can't, there's different limitations. But as a VIP enterprise member, you are able to access this section of the site that has high volume for print on demand. All the products include the stencil license, so you can sell, the stencil itself, as well as the product that you made with the stencil, ready to press transfers, so you can use the items to make and sell ready to press transfers when they're not on the shirt, different things like that, okay? So if you guys are interested in the VIP program, we would love to have you join us. If you're already, a loyal fan of So Fontsy, and we're so happy that you are, this is a little way for you to save even extra on everything that you purchase. So I added the link up top, so you can just click the link, pick the plan that's right for you. You can change plans if you need to. If you change plans, if you upgrade to a higher plan, like let's say you're on the $7.99 crafter plan and you're like, you know what? I think I want extra benefits. I want a higher percent savings on every item. You can upgrade at any time. The new plan would take effect immediately, and you would immediately get a new voucher. The existing voucher that you had would remain until its expiration date, and it will tell you when that is. If you downgrade plans, you can do that as well. That won't take effect until your next billing period, because we don't want you to lose the benefit that you already paid for of the higher plan, right? Okay, so if you're downgrading, you just realize you don't need that much. You're fine to get a little less off each item and a little lower amount of a voucher, okay? And you can cancel anytime. There's no obligation other than we're just monthly. So if you decide after a couple months you're not utilizing it, you're whatever the case may be, you need to buy gas as opposed to an SVG. Well, we get it. But so there's no obligation. Like I said, we're going to be adding new content to the the resource library every month. All right, we'll be changing out all the all the freebies will change every month. The early access items will change every month. Obviously, new and 99 changes every month. We've already had some early users who have left some reviews, so you're welcome to see what they say. And we just are so excited to be able to offer this as a program that you guys have asked about, a membership for such a long time. And we're so happy that we're finally able to offer VIPs. I hope we see you guys over there. If you have questions, feel free to leave in the comments or shoot us an email at customerservice@SoFontsy, and we will be happy to help. Hope to see you guys around.